Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we are diving into the 5 best free photo editing apps for iPhone, and I'll walk you through each one so you can pick the perfect fit for your needs. Now let's get started. At number 5 on our list is YouCam Perfect, developed by Perfect Mobile Corp. It has an impressive 4.8 out of 5 rating from over 113,000 reviews and has been downloaded more than 800 million times. The app size is light, yet it packs powerful tools for beautifying and transforming your photos with AI-powered features. Here are 3 standout features: Eye Object and Background Remover, Body Tuner and Height Adjustment, Image to Video Animator with Avatar Maker. Now let's take a quick walkthrough of the user interface. From the home button, you'll land on the main screen with quick access to camera, edit, and recent photos. Tapping on History shows all your recent projects and saved edits for easy access. In the Settings menu, you can tweak app preferences, log in, or manage your subscription and cloud backup. Finally, the AI Tools section offers one-tap access to features like background removal, quality enhancer, and AI-powered effects, all neatly organized and easy to use. YouCam Perfect stands out with its sleek design, smart features, and smooth navigation, making it a fantastic choice for quick and creative edits. At number 4 on our list is Google Photos, developed by Google LLC. It holds a solid 4.6 out of 5 rating from over 431,000 reviews and is one of the most widely used photo storage and editing apps globally. With 15 GB of free cloud storage and intelligent organization, its main purpose is to back up your photos, free up device space, and keep your memories secure and searchable. Here are 3 standout features: 15 GB of free cloud storage with smart backup, fast AI-powered search using people, places, and objects, auto-created movies, collages, and GIFs. Now let's take a look at the user interface. On the Photos tab, you'll find all your images organized chronologically with an easy scroll and auto-grouping for memories. The Collections tab shows albums, favorites, and any shared or live albums you've created or joined. Tapping on Search brings up quick filters like people, places, and things, thanks to Google's powerful image recognition. The plus icon lets you instantly create new albums, collages, animations, or movies from your photos. And under Updates, you'll find suggested edits, stylized photos, and memory highlights automatically generated for you. Google Photos combines simplicity with smart features, making it more than just a photo viewer. It's a complete photo hub right on your iPhone. At number 3 on our list is Picsart AI Photo Editor Video, developed by Picsart Inc. With a stellar 4.7 out of 5 rating from over 1.2 million reviews, this all-in-one design studio combines photo, video, and AI-powered tools in a single app. Its main purpose is to let users create everything from social media content to stunning edits using professional tools with an easy, intuitive interface. Here are 3 standout features: powerful AI tools like background remover, object removal, and AI image generator, pro-level video and photo editing for reels, stories, and more, customizable templates, and 60 pulse million sticker options. Now let's explore the app's layout. Tapping on Discover shows you trending edits, user creations, and challenges for inspiration. In Spaces, you can join communities of creators, follow topics, and share your own work. The plus button is where you start a new project, choose a photo or video, and dive straight into editing. Under My Files, you'll find all your saved creations, drafts, and uploads neatly organized for quick access. And finally, the Profile button brings up your account details, published designs, and any premium features you've unlocked. Picsart delivers a powerful creative workspace packed into a clean modern interface, perfect for anyone from casual editors to design pros. At number 2 on our list is Adobe Photoshop Express, developed by Adobe Inc. It boasts an impressive 4.8 out of 5 rating with over 733,000 reviews, and it's known for bringing professional-grade tools to mobile in a user-friendly way. The app's main goal is to make photo and video editing quick, creative, and accessible, no matter your skill level. Here are three standout features: one-tap photo enhancements and portrait retouching, video trimming, resizing, and music overlays, custom text, filters, and collage layouts for personalized designs. Now let's explore the user interface. Starting with the library, you'll see all your device photos neatly displayed for quick selection and editing. The Albums tab helps organize your media, making it easier to find and work with specific sets of images. Under Free Images, you can access a collection of stock photos to edit or experiment with. Tapping on Lightroom connects you to Adobe's cloud storage and editing tools for seamless workflow integration. And the search box lets you describe an image you want to generate, making AI-powered creativity even easier. Adobe Photoshop Express offers a polished layout, clean navigation, and intuitive tools, perfect for fast, high-quality edits right from your iPhone. At number 1 on our list is Snapseed, developed by Google LLC. Rated 3.5 out of 5 with around 9,900 reviews, Snapseed stands out as a fully featured photo editor with no ads, offering pro-grade tools in a clean, minimalist interface. It's built to give users precise control over every part of the image, from raw adjustments to detailed filters and brushes. Here are three standout features: over 25 advanced editing tools and filters, including raw support, selective edits using control points and custom brushes, non-destructive editing with the ability to save personal presets. Now let's walk through the app interface. Tap the plus button to load a photo from your gallery or take one instantly to begin editing. The Looks tab gives you a collection of presets that can be applied in one tap for quick edits. Under Faves, you'll find your saved custom styles, perfect for consistent editing across multiple photos. The Tools section is the heart of Snapseed, packed with features like curves, healing, expand, and lens blur, all laid out in a simple grid. Finally, the Export button lets you save your photo, share it directly, or export it with specific settings without overwriting your original file. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful app breakdowns like this.